Hey guys, if you're getting a slow download speed on Steam, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this issue. So the first thing we want to do is come to our start menu and you want to search for settings. Click on the settings icon and come down to where it says Windows Update. And the first thing we're going to do is want to check for updates and make sure that we're running the latest version of Windows. And once we've ensured we're running the latest version, the next thing we need to do is come back to the start menu and we're going to search for CMD. Make sure to right click on this command prompt and select Run as Administrator. And inside of this black window here, we're going to type in the following commands and hit enter after each one. So the first thing you want to do is type in ipconfig /release and then hit enter. And then you want to type in ipconfig /renew and hit enter. And lastly, you want to type in ipconfig /flushdns and hit enter. Then we can close the command prompt and check to see if our download speed issue has been fixed. If that's not working, the next thing we're going to do is come to our task manager by coming back to the start menu and searching for task manager. Click on the task manager icon and you want to select the memory tab here, and what that's going to do is it's going to order them in which ones are using the most amount of resources, and you want to right click on any applications you're not currently using and then just select end task. And then once we've closed down any applications we're not currently using, we can come out of this window and you want to head over to the Steam application. And then from here you want to click Steam in the top left hand corner and come into settings, and you want to come to the download section. Then if we scroll down here to a section where it says clear download cache, you just want to select this button and select confirm. Then we can relaunch Steam, and once you've opened back up Steam, come back into the top left hand corner into settings, and you want to come back to the download section. And what we want to do, where it says download region, we're going to change this to a region that's closer to ourselves. So mine here is set to UK London, which is great because I'm based in England. But for example, if you're based in Africa, you may want to set this to a region closer to Africa. Then we can close out of the Steam application, and the next thing you're going to do is come to the start menu and you're going to search for control panel. Hit the control panel icon, make sure view by is set to category, and then we can come into view network status and tasks. Select change adapter settings from the left here, and you want to find the network that you're currently connected to. So for me, that's this one here. And you want to right click and come into properties. Now from this list you should see something called Internet Protocol version 4 TCP. Select that and come into properties, and at the bottom here where it says obtain DNS server address automatically, we're going to change that to use the following DNS server addresses, and we're going to type in 8888 and 8844 and then select OK. And then the final thing we can do is update our network drivers, as this can also cause a slow download speed. So you want to head over to an internet browser and come to a website called drivereasy.com. Scroll all the way down the page till you come to the download section and hit the download button. Once you've downloaded and installed Driver Easy, simply launch up the app on your computer, and then we can press this scan now button, and it's going to look through your computer to find any outdated drivers. Once the scan is complete, as you see here, it will list all of your outdated drivers, and to update them, simply click the update button and follow the steps on screen to update the driver. You can also press this update all button at the bottom here, but this is part of the paid plan, so I'd recommend just sticking to the free version and coming into each of these one by one. Now hopefully by following all of these steps, that's sped up your download speed on the Steam application. If you still are experiencing slow download speeds, please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.